Happy Friday, everyone. It's Fun Friday time. Is your Outlook inbox a mess? Here are 5 simple tips to keep it organized and efficient. Tip 1. Use folders and categories. Start by creating folders and categories like work, personal, and urgent. This will help you quickly sort and find emails. Tip 2. Set up rules. Automate your inbox with rules that move emails to specific folders as soon as they arrive, keeping things organized without any extra effort. Tip 3. Use the Focused Inbox feature. Activate the Focused Inbox to automatically sort important emails, so you always see what matters most. Tip 4. Schedule time for email management. Dedicate specific times during your day to handle emails. This keeps your inbox under control and boosts productivity. Tip 5. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails. Regularly unsubscribe from newsletters and promotional emails you no longer read. This reduces clutter and makes it easier to focus on the important stuff. Stay organized and boost your productivity. Start using these tips today and watch your productivity soar. Let us know how these tools work for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Fun Friday tips and tech hacks. At 303 Tech, we keep you simply connected. Have a fantastic weekend.